Hello friends, today we solve this question. Question is a plus 2ab plus b is equal to 8. We have to find a plus b. Let's start. Solution. Again write the question. A plus 2ab plus b is equal to 8. Multiply both side by 2. So 2 in bracket a plus 2ab plus b is equal to 8 into 2. 2a plus 4ab plus 2b is equal to 16. Take common 2a. 2a 1 plus 2b plus 2b is equal to 16. Two a 1 plus 2b, add 1 on both sides, so plus 1 plus 2b is equal to 16 plus 1. 2a in bracket 1 plus 2b, take 1 common, so 1 in bracket 1 plus 2b is equal to 17. Now take common 1 plus 2b into in bracket 1 plus 2a is equal to 17. Now think of factor pairs of 17. Since 17 is a prime number, its integer factor pairs are first 1 and 17, second 17 and 1, third minus 1 and minus 17, fourth minus 17 and minus 1. Now solve all 4 cases. Case 1. One plus 2b is equal to 17. 2b is equal to 17 minus 1. b is equal to 16 by 2. So b is equal to 8. One plus 2a is equal to 1. A is equal to 1 minus 1. A is equal to 1 minus 1, 0, equal to 0. Case 2. 1 plus 2a is equal to 17. 1 plus 2b is equal to 1. A is equal to 17 minus 1, 16. 16 divided by 2, 8. b is equal to 1 minus 1 0, 0 divided by 2 0. Case third, 1 plus 2b is equal to minus 17. 2b is equal to minus 17 minus 1. b is equal to minus 18 by 2 is equal to 9 minus 9. 1 plus 2a is equal to minus 1. 2a is equal to minus 1 minus 1. a is equal to minus 2 divided by 2 is equal to minus 1. So in case first and second, a plus b is equal to 8, and in case third and fourth, a plus b is equal to minus 10. Therefore, a plus b is equal to 8 or minus 10. Answer.